Okay, for this section, we're going to graph and we're going to compare. So we're going to do number 12 first. Number 12, we got a 2 on the inside. Remember, when it's on the inside, it impacts the x's, and we're going to use the reciprocal. So we're going to multiply by 1/2. Right, so this is going to be 0, 1/2, and 2. So the points that we're going to plot are 0, 0, 1/2, 1, and 2, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. We have 0, 0, 1/2, 1, and 2, 2. So it looks like this. This is called a horizontal shrink. Remember, when it's on the inside, it's going to be horizontal, and it's the opposite of what you think. Like, you would think that would stretch it, but it's a shrink. So, remember, you guys have your chart on one of those pages so that you can look at examples. It's on page 442. You can see here, right, the horizontal, if it's inside here, and it's going to be bigger than 1, it's a shrink. If it's inside here and it's between 0 and 1, it's a stretch. Okay, so these are our points. That's what we plotted. And it says compare the graph. So the compare part means exactly what I said, that it's a horizontal shrink criteria. Oh, not by 2, by 1/2. Sorry, by 1/2. Number 13. We've got x, y, 0, 1, 4, 0, 1, 2. We've got plus 3 on the inside. When it's on the inside, it impacts the x's. The plus 3 means left 3, so I subtract 3. So -3, -2, and +1. I want to make sure I have those negative values on my graph. 1, 2, 3, that's -3, and I'm counting by 1s here. So -3, 0, -2, 1, and 1, 2. Oh, that's not 1, 2. 1, 2. It's this way. And how would I describe it, or how would I compare it? This moved left 3. Okay, number 17. We have x, y, 0, 1, 4, 0, 1, 2. The negative out in front, because it's outside of the radical, it's impacting the y's. So that's telling us change all of these signs. The -6 is outside the radical, so that's changing the y's. It means it's going to move it down 6, so I would subtract 6. These are the points I'm going to plot. So if I need 4, -8 on my graph, I'm probably going to need to count by 2s to make that work. So I'm going to say -2, -4, -6, -8. I can count by 1s here. I've got 0, -6. I've got 1, -7. And I've got 4, -8. So it's going this way. So how would I compare this? It's a reflection over the x-axis, and it's shifted down 6. Alright, so that's it for that section of graphing.